Hello everyone, this is Nisha and you're watching Scienceaholic. So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the difference between osmosis and diffusion. And this is the question number 16 of your chapter number 5. In last video, we have seen the osmosis and diffusion and their similarities. So let's discuss. First, we need to understand the definition of diffusion and osmosis. So पहले हम diffusion की definition देखते हैं. Diffusion means what? Solute molecule move from high to low concentration. Diffusion में solute molecule का movement होता है high to low. In osmosis, solvent molecule move from low to high solute concentration. So this is the diffusion and osmosis. So let's understand the difference. First difference is it is limited only to the liquid medium. Now osmosis जो होता है वो liquid medium में ही होता है and the diffusion occurs in liquid, gas and even solids. Second point, requires a semi-permeable membrane. Diffusion does not require a semi-permeable membrane. Third point, depends on the number of solute particle dissolved in the solvent. Now जो osmosis होता है कितने number of particles dissolve होते हैं solute के उस पर depend करता है. But diffusion depends on the presence of other particles also. Diffusion में जो और particles present होते हैं solvent में उसके ऊपर भी depend करता है. Now the fourth point, requires water for the movement of particle. Movement of particle के लिए osmosis में water is very important and need होती है उसकी. But in diffusion does not require water for the movement of particle. Without water के भी diffusion हो सकता है. Now the fifth point, only the solvent molecule can diffuse. Osmosis में only solvent molecule diffuse होते हैं. But in diffusion both the molecules of solute and solvent can diffuse. Diffusion में दोनों molecule diffuse हो सकते हैं. Now sixth point, the flow of particles occurs only in one direction. Osmosis में जो particle का flow होता है that is in one direction. But in diffusion the flow of particles occurs in all the directions. Now seventh point, occurs only between the similar type of solution. Osmosis similar type of solution में होता है but diffusion similar and dissimilar both the type of solution में diffusion होता है. Now eighth point, it involves the movement of only solvent molecule from one side to other. Now osmosis में जो movement होता है solvent का वो one side से other side होता है. But in diffusion it involves the movement of all the particle from one region to another region. Means diffusion में जो movement होता है वो one region से another region में होता है सारे particles का. Now ninth point, the concentration of the solvent does not become equal on both the side of membrane. This we have seen in first slide. उसमें left side में कम था and right side में ज़्यादा solvent था. तो this is the difference. Now diffusion, the concentration of the diffusion substance equalize to fill the available space. Diffusion में equal कर लेता है, equalize हो जाती है space, जो भी space होती है वो equalize हो जाती है. Now 10th point, depends on solute potential. Osmosis जो होता है solute के potential पे depend करता है but diffusion जो होता है does not depends on solute potential, pressure potential and water potential. तो solute pressure water potential पे depend नहीं करता. 11th point, the entire process can either be stopped or reversed by applying the additional pressure on the solution side. आप osmosis को stop भी कर सकते हैं, reverse भी कर सकते हैं by applying additional pressure on the solution side. But diffusion, this process can neither be stopped and nor be reversed. Diffusion को आप न stop कर सकते हैं और आप reverse भी नहीं कर सकते. Now 12th point, not associated with uptake of minerals and nutrients. But diffusion, it helps in uptake of minerals and nutrients. So diffusion जो होता है वो हमारी बॉडी में अपटेक ऑफ मिनरल्स एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स के लिए हेल्प करता है. नाउ 13th point, only water or another solvent move from a region of high concentration to low concentration. In diffusion, any type of substance move from one area of high concentration to low concentration. So this is the difference between osmosis and diffusion. In next video, I will be discussing about the tonicity. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel Scienceaholic. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.